Hi, I received these gorgeous decorative pumpkins as a gift so that I could try these out and kind of work with them a little bit with decor and give you my opinion about them. So these are so nice. So I have an average size hand, so this is, you can tell the scale of the size of the pumpkins based on how it fits in my hand. I love, love, love that it's the short kind of round standard shape of the pumpkin, and then it's also got the taller, more narrow style of pumpkin as well. I love the white. It's kind of a paint, looks like a painted white with the gold accent. So pretty. The material of it is kind of like a resin, I guess I would say, solid on the bottom, and just absolutely gorgeous. I love the way these look. I love a classic white Halloween decoration. And if you know, you know, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So love, love, love these. Highly recommend them. Thanks.